Till now, we have covered mathematical operators, relational operators, and various forms of assignment operators. Today, we are going to start with logical operators. Do we remember the relational operators and what was the purpose? Example I will give you. Suppose we have two numbers and we have to check which number is bigger, A or B. So what expression we will write? A is greater than B. We will use which symbol? Greater than symbol in between A and B. They were used to give true or false, that is Boolean value. They used to check the condition. If the condition is true, they will return true, otherwise they will return false. In logical operators, we will combine two simple expressions. For example, A is greater than B and A is greater than C. We are using two simple expressions. They are separated by logical AND. So they also return Boolean value. In Python, we have three logical operators: AND, OR, NOT. And all these three operators are written in lowercase. Like relational operators, they also return either true or false. Now let us understand three logical operators one by one. Logical operators are AND, OR, and NOT. Let us begin with AND. It means logical AND. AND is written in small letters. We will directly understand this with the help of an example. Just have a look on the last column. Here we have num1 is equals to 10, num2 is equals to minus 20. We have considered two variables. In the third line, here it is written num1 is equals to 10. Now here what we have used, what is this equal to symbol? Equal to symbol is for a relational operator. It checks for equality, whether num1 is 10 or not. Num1 value is 10. Then we will check if 10 is equals to 10. The condition comes out to be true. Yes, of course it is true. 10 is equals to 10. Second condition, num2 is equals to minus 20. We have inserted minus 20 in num2. So yes, of course, minus 20 is equals to minus 20. In this case, both the statements are true. Then the result comes out to be true. Next case we will just consider num1 is equals to 10 and num2 is equals to 10. In our case, the value for num1 is 10. First expression, just have a look on the first expression. 10 is equals to 10. Yes, answer is 1, correct. And is the logical operator. Next we have written num2 is equals to 10. Num2 value is minus 20. Minus 20 is not equal to 10. So in this case, the result of the second expression is false. So what we want to say here is, if both the conditions of logical AND are true, then only the condition will be true. The final result will be true. If any one of the condition is false, then the result will be false. What is the important condition for AND to be true? Both the conditions are supposed to be true. I will explain you with the help of example. Now you have to appear for the board exam. School will not give you permission letter until and unless your attendance is 75% and you clear your pre-board exams. So both the conditions should be true. Then only you will get the permission letter, otherwise not. So we have understood in logical AND, both the conditions are true, then the result is true. Otherwise the result is false. Now second operator, logical operator is OR, OR, OR. And it is written in small letters. Or means either this or that. When any one condition should be true. I want to write. I am teaching you in the class and you are taking the notes, you are writing the notes. You don't have black pen or the pencil, you have only one blue pen. You can write with the blue pen? Yes, of course you can write either the gel or the ball. Any one. So any one condition is true, the work will be done and the result will be true. But when both the conditions are false, then the result will be false. Here we will consider with the help of an example. See this last column. Num1 is equals to 10, num2 is equals to 2. Now let us check the condition. Num1 is greater than equal to 10. Num1 value is 10. So kya 10 is greater than equal to 10? The condition comes out to be true. Yes. 10 is greater than equal. No, it is not greater, but at least it is equal to. Here we have 10 is equal to 10. Yes. Or is the logical operator. Num2 is greater than equal to 10. What is num2? Num2 is 2. Is it greater than equal to 10? No, it is not greater than equal to 10. But result is true. Because if any one condition is true, then the result comes out to be true. Now let us consider the second case. Num1 is less than equal to 5. Let us consider the second expression. 10 is less than equal to 5. Less than equal to 5. Yes, of course. Or num2 is greater than equal to 10. Num1. What is the value for num1? 10. 10 is less than equal to 5. Condition comes out to be false. No, 10 is not less than 5. So condition is false. Second case. Num2 is greater than equal to 10. What is num2? Num2 value is 2. Kya 2 is greater than equal to 10? No, 2 is not greater than equal to 10. In this case, both the conditions are false. So the result will be false. Once again, let us see. OR operator will give you false only when both the conditions are false. If any one of the condition is true, then the result will be true. Now let us see about the next and the last logical operator, that is NOT. It is also written in small letters, NOT. Now directly come to the example. Num1 is equals to 10. Next statement what we have written, not num1 is equals to 20. What is it? Num1 is equals to 20. What is the value for num1? The value for num1 is 10. 10 is equals to 20. False. The result is false. But outside the parenthesis what we have written? Not. So not will negate the condition. It will make true ko false, false ko true. So the condition is false, so it has become true. Next case. Num1 is equals to 10. Num1 value is 10. So yes, num1 is equals to 10. 10 is equals to 10. But what we have written before this parenthesis, the logical operator not will just reverse the condition. So the condition is true, but just because we have written not before that,